Okay, as you can see here now, I just adjusted these two forms. Oh, I still have to align them top like this. Okay, and again I insert here a new one, which is type here this one. Okay, here I'm going to type this one. Okay, so that if I'm going to this point, I'm gonna drag this as well here, okay, to this, and here I'm going to type here this. Okay, like this, and then I'm gonna drag this here like this. Okay, now if I'm going to select this, Control A, I'm gonna click on Insert, and again I have a chart here. Okay, I get this. I can Control X, and I paste it here. I'll make it a bit like this. I'm gonna remove this. Okay, I will show you later what I'm doing here. I'm gonna type this like this. You're gonna type here, for example, true. Okay, I'm gonna copy this here. Insert here a checkbox, but over a chart I can only have form control. Okay, that's good. So this one I'm gonna form a control, click on control, and cell linked is the calculation, this one. So basically I show, okay, I want to show, okay, so this one is if this, I showed what was before, otherwise I will show the function not applicable. Okay, this one, if I'm gonna block the column S. Okay, okay, I'm going to show you this. So I'm going to click on this. So you see one product is gone because I put this as false and this is not applicable. Okay, so you can see here. I'm going to do this also for the other products. First of all, I'm going to make it shorter. Go to the end, type 2. I'm going to form a control. And here we have this one, okay? Prod 2. So if I'm going to, you can see here, I'm going to like this. Okay, okay, what is the maximum of this? Is 10,000. Okay, so I can also do the following: format axis maximum is 11,000. Okay, and here is 0. So as you can see here, our graph is not updated. Okay, if I'm going to include or exclude some parts. Okay, so that's very important. Then I'm going to change this to something better, like this, or like this. Data labels, no. We'll keep it a default one, okay? Now, as an exercise, you can also include all and exclude the other products. According to the value that I gave to this checkbox. So I include or exclude products, okay?